Let's see how I created this seamless zoom out effect using free AI tools and turned a few simple images into a complete animated sequence with Google Gemini Pro, Google Flow, and After Effects. First, generate the 5 shots using Google Gemini Pro. We'll use 5 simple prompts to create the entire sequence. Don't worry, I'll show you where to get them later. Select Create Image. Use Google Gemini Pro. Use Prompt 1 to generate the micro camera lens shot. Then upload your image in any product you want. Use Prompt 2 to generate an image of yourself holding the phone. Use prompts 3 and 4 to create the remaining zoom out shots, gradually pulling the camera farther away. For the final shot, use Prompt 5. In my case, I used it to generate this UI panel, but you can easily adjust it with ChatGPT to create something that better fits your own project and goals. Now let's move to Google Flow and bring these shots to life. We'll use the start and end frames to do that. Remove the agent feature by clicking on it. Click here. Select frames. Choose your aspect ratio. Set the duration to 6 seconds. Click here to change the model to VO Light. Place image 1 here as the start frame and image 2 here as the end frame. For these animations, we'll use 4 prompts. I'll show you how to download them later. Now use this shot as the start frame and this one as the end frame. Repeat the same process with the remaining prompts and shots until you reach the final one. Now let's move to After Effects. Select all the layers, go to Keyframe Assistant, choose Sequence Layers, then press OK. This will arrange the layers one after another automatically. Now I'm going to enable time remapping for the first shot by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T. Select both keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Go to the Graph Editor. Choose Edit Value Graph. To understand this graph more easily, let's look at some simple examples. This is the normal graph movement. It starts and ends at a normal speed, with no slow or fast movement. If I change it like this, it will start slow in the first area, then become very fast here, and finally slow down here. Let's change it. Now it will start very fast and end very slow. Last example. It will start very slow and end very fast. Now I'll adjust the clip using just one style. It will look like this. You can adjust it however you need. I'll copy this graph style and paste it onto the remaining clips using the Easy Copy script. And this will be the final result. I put all the links in the description, including the image prompts, video prompts, and all the free websites for the AI models I used in this video.